Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start right now by making the area safe and accessible. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and turn the ignition off, then pop the hood and prop it. Once done, identify the headlamp housing on the Corolla Verso and remove any plastic covers or clips. Use a flat pry or Phillips to release retainers. Keep fasteners organized. Wear gloves so oils don't shorten bulb life, and double-check your replacement bulb model before proceeding. This prevents. You now focus on the delicate middle steps, access and removal. First, twist off the dust cap or unplug the wiring harness slowly to avoid damaging the connector. Next, depress or unhook the retaining spring and fold it aside. Note how the bulb sits. Orientation matters for beam aim. Gently pull the bulb straight out without rocking. If it's tight, check for hidden clips. Once removed, compare the new bulb to the old one to confirm match and alignment before installing. You finish by installing the new bulb and validating function. Hold the bulb by the base, slide it into the socket in the same orientation, and latch the retaining clip. Then reinstall the dust cap and reconnect the wiring. Start the engine and test low and high beams, make sure the aim looks even. If the lamp does not light, check the headlight fuse, inspect connector pins for corrosion, and reconfirm the bulb is fully seated. These quick checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.